Hello students, as we know in earlier video lecture, we have studied about the distance measure. In that distance measure, we have find out the different distance by using Euclidean, CD-long distance and your different distance measure formula. By using that, we have solved the numericals there. Now in today's lecture, we are going to see a basic of digital image processing, where we are going to perform a basic operation on given image, that is arithmetic operation on images. Okay, so consider if we have an image there and we have to perform addition, subtraction, multiplication and division between that two input image, then we have to take some assumptions there to solve that kind of a numerical. So in today's lecture, we are going to solve one numerical where we are going to do addition, subtraction, multiplication and division between two input given images. Okay, for doing that addition, subtraction, multiplication and division, we have to get some assumptions there, some rules are there. So first rule says that first rule is there for addition, second is for subtraction, then for division and multiplication. Okay, so first rule says that consider a gray level range between 0 to 25. If we have an image there and you are considering the gray level image and the image intensity is there between 0 to 255. If the range of a pixel is between 0 to 225 and we are doing the addition between two images, then the addition of two pixels of two images is greater than 255, then ultimately we have to consider the value of that pixel is 255. Okay, we can't write the value greater than 255 because we have set it the range between 0 to 255. Second assumption is what? That whenever addition of that is greater than 255, you have to write the value of that is in a range between 255, or we can represent it as a 255. Third, for subtraction, if we are subtracting two pixel values from two different images, the subtraction of between two pixels and that output is in a negative, at that time you have to represent that negative value into a 0. Okay, so negative value can be eliminated and you have to represent that negative value into a 0. That is the rule for subtraction. Then we have a multiplication. Consider we have a range 0 between 0 to 255 and multiplication between two pixels from two different images is greater than 255. Then ultimately you have to write the multiplication of that in the range of 255, or you have to consider the 255 value as a multiplication of that two pixels. Okay, so these are few assumptions used for doing the arithmetic operations on an image. There are multiple applications of that arithmetic operation we use to perform an image, and we are going to see how we use that kind of a things for doing further processing the images and all. So first technique is there, that is addition between two input images. So consider first input image given as A, where we have pixels 0, 100, 10, 4, 0, 10, 8, 0 and 5, and we have to add these images, that is 10, 100, 5, 2, 0, 0, 0, 10 and 10. So how to add these two images? So here we have to add the two pixels, equal pixels according to its equal coordinate. This is x coordinate and y coordinate, and this x coordinate and y coordinate. So first position of the pixel is 0. So add this 0 pixel in 10. So addition of 10 and 0 is 10. Then addition of 100 and 100 is 200. Addition of 10 and 5 is 15. Similar like that, 4 plus 2 is 6. 0 plus 0 is 0. And 10 plus 0 is 10. 8 plus 0 that is 8. 0 plus 10 is 10. And 5 plus 10 is 15. So ultimately output of the addition is nothing but this matrix. Okay, so why we need an addition? The application of this addition is that addition is used often for a noisy image for noise reduction. Okay, we used to perform addition on a noisy image for reducing the noisiness of that image. Second, image averaging in the field of astronomy. In the field of astronomy, we use this operation for averaging the image. Okay. Now, next operation is there after addition, that is subtraction. Similar, we have two pixels, that is two input image. Okay, so 0 minus 10 is 0. 100 minus 0 is nothing. 100 minus 100 is 0. 10 minus 5 is 5. 4 minus 4 is 2. 0 minus 0 is 0, and 10 minus 0 is 10. Similar, 8 minus 0 is 8. 0 minus 10 is 0, and 5 minus 10 is 0. Okay. So this is what the ultimate output of your, sorry, one second, here we need to be writing the 5. Okay, so this is nothing but the subtraction between two input images. Why we need a subtraction? What is the application of subtraction operation? So it has made of a difference between image. If we want to find out the difference between two image and we want to enhance that image, for that purpose we use the subtraction. Second, mask mode radiography in medical imaging. Mask mode radiography is what we do perform in the medical image. For that purpose, we need a subtraction operation. Third operation is there, that is multiplication. Similar approach is there, single input image is there. We have to multiply a two input image from two pixels of two different images. So first pixel need to be multiplied with the first pixel of B. So 0 into 10, that is 0. 100 into 100, that is 255. Okay, it is what going to be a increased value. And ultimately rule says that if the value multiplication of two input images or two pixels is greater than 255, then you have to consider a 255 value. So we have added a 255 because we have set the range between 0 to 255. Then 10 into 5, that is 50. 4 into 2, that is 8. 0 into 0, that is 0. 10 into 0, 10 into 0 is 0. 8 into 0, that is 0. 0 into 10, that is 0. And 5 into 10 is 15. So why we need a multiplication type of operation there? Multiplication is used for shadowing and correction. Shadowing of the image and correction. For that purpose, we need a multiplication option. With that, masking or region of interest operation. If we want to do a region-based operations where region of interest operation are there, or we want to perform masking, for that purpose we have to use a multiplication. Okay. Then we have division. Similar approach is there. We have to divide the two pixels value of two different images. So 0 divided by 10, that is 0. 100 divided by 100, that is 1. 10 divided by 5, that is 2. 4 divided by 2, that is 2. 0 divided by 0, that is 0. 10 divided by 0, that is 0. 8 divided by 0, that is 0. 0 divided by 10, 0. 5 divided by 10, that is 0. Okay. So why we need a division? The application of division is used for a shadowing and correction. Shading or correction. Okay. For that purpose, we need a division operation. So this is nothing but the arithmetical operation we used to perform on input images. So numerical is going to be there in the examination. Based on this, you are able